As a business systems analyst, managing multiple tasks, projects, and stakeholders is part of your daily routine. But how do you decide what needs your attention first? Effective prioritization isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. In this video, we'll break down actionable strategies to help you stay organized and deliver value to your team and organization. Prioritization is crucial for BSAs because you serve as the bridge between technical teams and business stakeholders. Mismanaging your tasks could lead to missed deadlines, frustrated colleagues, or even project failure. By mastering prioritization, you can focus on what truly matters, meet deadlines efficiently, and gain the trust of your team. The first step in effective prioritization is knowing everything on your plate. Write down all your tasks, no matter how small they seem. This could include gathering requirements, analyzing data, preparing reports, or attending meetings. A clear list ensures nothing gets overlooked and helps you assess the scope of your workload. The Eisenhower Matrix is a simple but powerful tool for prioritization. Divide your tasks into 4 categories. 1. Urgent and important. These tasks need immediate attention. 2. Important but not urgent. Plan these for later. 3. Urgent but not important. Delegate or minimize these tasks. 4. Neither urgent nor important. Consider removing these from your to-do list. This method helps you focus on what really matters and prevents burnout. Not every task is equally important to everyone. Communicate with stakeholders to understand their priorities and expectations. If you're unclear about a task's urgency, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. This ensures you're aligned with your team and reduces misunderstandings. Using project management tools can help you keep track of deadlines and dependencies. Platforms like Trello, Asana, or Jira allow you to organize tasks visually, set priorities, and even collaborate with your team. These tools make it easier to stay on top of your workload and adjust priorities as needed. Time blocking is a productivity technique where you allocate specific time slots to tasks. For example, you might dedicate 9 to 11 a.m. for data analysis and 2 to 3 p.m. for meetings. This method ensures you're focused on one task at a time, reducing distractions and improving efficiency. Here are some additional tips to stay on track. 1. Minimize interruptions. Turn off unnecessary notifications during focused work. 2. Set realistic deadlines. Avoid overcommitting and give yourself buffer time. 3. Learn to say no. Politely decline tasks that don't align with your priorities. Prioritization is an essential skill for every business systems analyst. By identifying tasks, using tools like the Eisenhower Matrix, and managing your time effectively, you can navigate complex projects with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your colleagues. Let us know in the comments your favorite prioritization tip or how you manage your workload as a BSA. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.